Good morning, student. Welcome to the class. So here some questions are there. Here in the questions we are using if and else conditions to make the program. So I will discuss here some questions with you, and you go through these questions because question with solution is also given here. And while you are making the program, make this program, write this program in your script, that editor, Python editor, and then take get the output. So first question is, take values of length and breadth of a rectangle from user and check if it is square root or not. So here you have to first take the value from the value. The user is giving the value of length and breadth, and then after that you have to find out whether the value is square, if it is square or not. So first you have to get the command print. Here print whatever you want to print means enter the length. Then enter the length, you have to initialize one variable length and ask the input with the help of input function. And then after that enter breadth. Same breadth also, breadth equal to input function. If you are calling, that means it will ask the enter length and enter breadth, and both the input function will call here in the conditions. If length equal to breadth means both length equal to breadth, then print yes it is a square, and else if it is not, then it will print a rectangle. Like this you have to give the value, and then after that find out the means output, and then get the result of your program. Then take two int values from user and print greatest among them. Means you have to take two integer value means without decimal, and then find out the greatest number. So first print enter the first number, again here input function we are calling, then prints enter the second number, again we are calling the input function. Then we are giving here condition, if first number which you had entered greater than second, then print greatest is first. First means here first number sorry, we are calling here comma first we are writing, it means first initialization variable we had given, that we are calling. Then the first variable's value will be printed here. And then else if, then we are giving the second condition, else if we are writing means elif second greater than first, means you have to print if second number greater than first number, then print greatest is second number. It means here both the value, if you are giving both the value, then both the value will be first match the value, first value and second value match, and then afterwards if both the value are equal, then print the else, means if else print both are equal. It means suppose first we are giving the value enter the first number. If you are giving enter the first number and value if you are giving 10, and the second number value if you are giving, then it will come it will go to first line if first greater than second. Here we had given the value of first 10 and second number 20, so it is not a first is not a greater than second, then it will not print greatest value of first, it will again come to elif second greater than first. Here second value is greater than first value, then second line greatest is second will be printed. If both the value are equal, or if both the value are equal, then else will print both are equal. Like this the output will come here. Then third question, a shop will give discount of 10% if the cost of purchase quantity is more than 1000. If you are purchase anything and it is quantity or it is more than 1000, ask user for quantity. Then suppose 1 until will cost 100, judge and print total cost of the user. Here you have to judge the cost of the user which they brought the product, means buy the product. So first print enter quantity. Quantity means how much they had brought. Then quantity equal to input function, again we are calling here. If quantity multiply by 100 greater than 1000, then we have to call cost is quantity, answer will come, and then into 1000 will, into 100 will print there, and into 100 will print there, that minus 0.1 multiply quantity multiply 100, like this the sum, like this the equations will be done here. And then if this will be happen, then it will print the output, else it will print that cost is quantity into multiplication by 100, like this it will do. So if you are the maths student, then please find out the equations solution here. Then a company decided to give bonus of 5% to employee if his or her year of service is more than 5 years. Ask user for their salary and year of service and print the net bonus amount. So if you are the employee of that company, and you will be there to completed their 5 years, then the company decided to increase to give the bonus of 5%. So here ask the user of salary. First you have to ask the user for their salary, then year of service, and then print the net bonus. So here first you have to ask the salary, and then year you have to ask how many years, from which year the employee are there from their company, and then again you do the calculation. So here input we had taken about the salary, and year of service, YOS, it means year of service. Then you give the condition, if year of service is greater than 5, if year of service is greater than 5, then calculate the salary for 5% bonus, and then if not less than 5, then print no bonus. Then a school has following rules. A school has following rules for grading system. Below 25 failed, 25 to 45 E grade, 45 to 50 D grade, 50 to 60 C grade, 60 to 80 B grade, and above 80 A grade. Ask user to enter marks and print the corresponding grade. So here if you are giving, so give the conditions and then put the print the grade. So conditions means condition is given at the above. You have to write in the code only. Here print marks. If you are printing the marks, then again here are calling the input functions. Input functions means you are asking a input from a user. So here condition is given here. Put all the conditions. If mark less than 25, then print F. Elif mark greater than equal to 25, and operator you have to use here, and mark less than 45, then print E. Like this all the conditions you give, it will show the output according to your input, according to your input which you had entered at the time of asking. Enter the marks, then enter the marks. Then take input of age of 3 people by user and determine the oldest and youngest one. Here you have to find the which age is oldest and which one is the youngest one. So here print, again you have to give print, write the first variable, initialize the first variable first, and then call the input function. Then second variable, call the input function. Third variable, call the input function. If first greater than equal to second and first greater than equal to third, then print oldest is first. Here like this you have to call the variables here and do the give the conditions. Like this you have to do the program. Then write a program to print absolute value of number entered by user. This absolute value you have to print here, input 1, output 1, input 1, output 2, like this you have to print. So first print enter a number, again you are calling the input function. If number less than 0, then print means print number, again we are calling the number, and number means which you are calling the number minus 1 you have to give. Then it will show the input as 1 1 1, like this. Example, if you are giving the input 1, then you have to got the output 1 also, like this it will do. Then one more question is there, question is not given here. if medical clause equal to y, then print out you are allowed, means any medical clause is there for patient. So here some conditions is given there. If clause that equal to yes, then print you are allowed. If else, if attendant greater than equal to 75 age or something, that question is missing here. I will discuss this in the next class. The question is not here. So student, if any doubt, then ask and do the practice all the questions if and else question, and here your topic is completed of if and else. The next class will discuss the new chapter. Thank you.